Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the Quotex broker dashboard. As you can see, we are on the home page of this broker. After logging into your account, you will see this page. In the upper right section, the first option is the site's notifications, where you receive updates from the site, or if there are any changes to your account, you will see the notifications in this section. In the next part, we can switch between our real and demo accounts. And we have options like deposit, withdrawal, history, transactions, trading, and account, which are repeated in other sections of the site. As you saw in previous tutorials, we have deposit and withdrawal options, where we can deposit and withdraw to our account using various methods. In this section, you can see the details related to trades, where you can enter a specific amount for a trade within a specified time, upward or downward. In this section, we can see the trading history of the trades we open, including active trades and history. In the left section, as you can see, we can add a new asset to our chart by clicking the Add option. We have the sentiment chart and these options. The first option relates to trading, meaning the page we are currently on. The second option is if you encounter any issues in any part of the site. You can connect with frequently asked questions, tutorials, or support. In the next section, you will see your account, meaning the information you have entered or need to change. In the following section, you will see the tournaments related to the website. In the first section, you can see the active tournaments, and in the next section, you can see the completed tournaments. Each tournament has an entry fee, a number of participants, and an active duration. By clicking on the Details option, you can access more information about this tournament, which is fully explained in the tournament file. In the next section, we have the market where, as you can see, you can view and purchase various promo codes and bonus codes regarding the risk-free cashback or deposit sections. By clicking on the options, you can access areas like account analysis, which is displayed based on your trading conditions. In the next section, you will see the leaderboard, which ranks the top traders of this broker. Finally, we have the signals section, which is displayed in various charts, and you can use these signals for your trading. In the lower left corner, as you can see, you have the full screen view, mute, and settings options. Well, this was a complete and comprehensive tutorial on the Quotex broker dashboard. Stay with us for future tutorials.